Hi folks, we had a Christmas blizzard here in South Dakota, so we're going to do a little video of us cleaning it up, the process of cleaning out the junkyard here. What happens in South Dakota is it doesn't fall straight down. You get a 50-mile-an-hour wind with it, so it can be 10 feet deep here and 6 inches over there, and some places nothing, you know, but other places are really deep behind stuff. It settles in behind things. So Tanner just came in and plowed it out, roughed it out for us, because it's maybe 3 or 4 feet deep in the front here. And we're going to do some snow blowing to get into the door there and stuff, and we'll show you some footage of what things look like in the yard after the snow. So enjoy the video, you know, and give us thumbs up and comments, and let us know how you do it. And please subscribe, anybody that likes this kind of old cars and rusty metal. So enjoy the video. Thank you. Woo! You wouldn't think I was almost 50, would you? Anyway, we got this roughed out. We can get into the building now, can kind of get in here. We got a couple trucks. One's going to Pittsburgh and another one to Carolinas or something. So we wanted to get those roughed out so we can get them out if possible, if need be, if the guys want to pick them up. Otherwise, you know, I hope you enjoyed the video. We created Mount Murdo here out of snow. And, you know, keep in tune. We'll keep you guys on updates as what other videos are coming and stuff. But hope you enjoyed this one. And we'll catch you on the next round.